As part of the ongoing effort to restore normalcy in Manipur, Chief Minister Khemchand today interacted with Meitei and Hmar communities who have been displaced from their homes due to the conflict in Jiribam district and assured to build a united Manipur which gives equal consideration to all communities. The Chief Minister was accompanied by Chief Secretary Dr. P.K. Goel, Jiribam MLA Achab Uddin, Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam and other officials during the visit. The Chief Minister was given a warm reception at Jiribam PWD guest house by members of various civil society organizations soon after his arrival in the district. Later, he visited Jiribam Higher Secondary School where IDPs are currently taking shelter and also visited Blooming Flower English School in Kalinagar where displaced Hmar community members are currently taking shelter and interacted with them while also appealing for cooperation in the peace efforts. Further, the Chief Minister also visited the family of Hmar woman victim who was killed in the violence and expressed solidarity to the family. He also assured financial assistance for education of 3 children of the victim. Earlier, speaking to media, Chief Minister Khemchand appealed CSOs, local clubs, community leaders and groups under SU in Jiribam to contribute in restoring normalcy in the district by forgetting the past as a nightmare and to move on for a new start. Chief Minister Khemchand further maintained that Jiribam has the potential to become a business hub for Manipur, and for that to realize the district needs peace and harmony. He also appealed media persons to play an important role in rebuilding trust between communities. While emphasizing that let bygones be bygones, Chief Minister Khemchand said he has come to Jiribam to spread the message of peace and love among the communities. While speaking about rehabilitation and resettlement plans, Khemchand said efforts are underway to face the challenges in hand first so that process of resettlement of displaced persons can begin.
Shanti poraga shanti thamdragadi progress jiri edu kichu oibiyaroi raine ihan hanba Chief Minister ojabagi district lana sarpasi jiri ne ihan hanbani maram bi jiri sakot tabiyate na adu community anigi marakta ukhanaba leiba tuna thajanadri ba potu thajanaba shinbada media gi sinausing asogudai talobiu local club sing through the lebiriba puna sammanana jiri shanti portagadi sakot payaroi haibadu khanbirakanda hogibudu hogre mangda phataba ama mangre haina khando kanda koi nusi sanana leina bugi adu message to people laksabani adu mayam unda laksabani. Thank you.